to a liquid eye water housing how-to episode. I'm your Japan agent, Dave Yamaya, and let's get started. Today we're going to look at some preload checklist. So let's get started. First, you want to remove any neck straps or shoulder straps from your camera. Next, you want to remove your eye cup for the Canon series. You want to install a fully charged battery and your media card of choice. Next, you want to attach the camera base plate. This is located in your housing. Slides out of the tray, and it mounts just like any standard tripod mount with a flathead screwdriver. You just attach that nice and tight. And you also want to attach your shutter release cable. Next, you want to set your dial, your camera mode. I usually shoot on manual, but if you shoot on shutter priority or aperture priority or any other settings, you want to set that before loading your camera. Also, turn your camera on. Next, you're going to attach your lens to your camera. I'm using a 15mm f2.8. Removing the caps. Attach your, if you have a lens that has a filter, you should remove the filter as well. And now your camera is ready to be loaded into your housing. On your water housing, you want to check that your O-ring is free of any impurities, hair, dust, sand, anything. And also your port O-ring is also clean and free of any impurities. Place the housing on your lap. Take your camera. The base plate of your camera will slide into the tray. Just like that. And then attach your shutter release cable. Tuck it in, make sure it's not interfering with your seal. And your back control plate, and tighten it with a designated hex screw in a crisscross pattern until your control plate is making contact with your O-ring. Once you've tightened the control plate, you want to check around to see that your O-ring is getting a good seal. Then you attach your designated lens port for your lens. Tighten it up. And you're ready to go shooting. If you're using a lens that requires zoom control, you must attach the gear sleeve before loading your camera into the housing. I'll put a link below, and to a video that shows you how to attach the gear sleeve to your zoom lens. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.